Hello guys, welcome to another video of Adama Robotics. In this video, we're going to learn more about robotics, okay? How we can get started. So, here we're going to use the engineering design process to understand how we can get started in robotics. So, I've compiled 5 steps for you. First of all, we will have to decide the purpose of the robot as to what the robot is going to do. Is the robot going to pick some object up or detect something or do something using the motors? So we have to decide on the purpose of before the design or getting started. And the next step is design a sketch where it would be like this, okay? You could design simple robot. For example, here this is a picture of a robot that's going to fight in a combat for combat robotics. Okay, so it's going to be having wheels, it's going to be having these blades, okay, spades, like it's going to push something up or pick something up over here using these motors. And then you will have to learn the basic electronics, mechanics and programming to program your robot, to design the circuitry and the mechanics of the robot as to how it's going to move or do something. And the next step is to build the prototype. Once you build a prototype, basically you put all these things together. You have your circuitry, you have your designed body ready, you have the motion, you have the programmed bot ready, okay? And then the next step is basically to test and evaluate and improve. So this is the part where you test the prototype if it's working fine or not, okay? And then you evaluate. If there's any problem, you improve it. If it's fine, then it's fine, right? So on right here, as you can see, the engineering design process uses these specific steps. Okay, first you have to ask, then you have to research the problem, then you have to imagine or develop a possible solution, then you have to plan, then you have to create, then you have to test and improve. So I've compiled these steps here in just 5 steps for you. So if you want to get started in robotics, use these 5 steps to start now. And if you need help, you're here for you. Let us know in the comments below if you need to get any guidance or you want to start with a simple kit. If you want to start with a simple kit, we would recommend our Build Educational Robotics Kit for you that we have designed specifically for beginners. You can use the robot Bill. You can just go to our site. You can go to adamarobotics.com and then just give it a second. You could see here Bill Educational Robot. I've written kids because they're beginners too. So this is how the robot looks like. It looks like Wall-E a bit. And you can program it using the software Adama script. Okay? So let me show it to you what Adama script is actually. So Adama script is a visual programming language which teaches the basics of programming very easily. Okay, you can program the robot using this software. You could just click on one of the videos that will show you the lesson we've prepared for you. Just give it a second.
Hello guys. Basically,
so here, as you can see, I'm going through the video here. This is Adama script software. You drag and drop and you connect the blocks to program the robot. How easy and simple is that, right? So guys, if you'd like to know more about robotics, you can subscribe to our channel in YouTube, okay, and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching our video and hope you're gonna have a great day. And let us know in the comments if you need any help.